Okay. After you provided the details, okay, so it will ask you like this. Choose your Snowflake edition. Okay. Standard, no, not required. Okay, just enterprise. Go to the enterprise. By default, it will be selected as it is. Okay. So you no need to change here. But here, choose your cloud providers. Means for Snowflake, right? Okay. There are three platforms they are providing. One is the Microsoft Azure, and another one is Amazon Web Services, AWS, and a GCP, Google Cloud Platform. So by default, I'm choosing the Microsoft Azure. I have selected this one. Okay, and then when you select, right, it will show you where the server is. Okay, Central India, Pune. Okay, and you need to select this. Once you select, it will, when you click on the get started, it will ask, were you signed up for a trial? Okay, training or a certification. Companies consider Snowflake personal learning and development. Others, okay, if you want to skip, you can skip. Personal learning and development, I'm giving. Yes. What will you see? A Snowflake. Okay, use a Snowflake for data warehouse, data log, anything you can select. Okay, so I'll use this one. Just I'll take the all. Okay. Select your preferred language. I'll select this one and this one. Okay, you don't need to give anything. Just I'm giving here, and an email activate your account has been sent. It may take a few minutes. I'll get to arrive. Then what you need to do, they have sent an email to this email ID. Okay. Now go to your Gmail account. They have sent to activate Gmail. Okay. Go to the Gmail ID. Hmm. And here, okay, they have given the this one login. Click activate and copy this one. Okay. Better and keep somewhere. Earlier I have used this one. Okay. This. Okay. This is the stick note. Okay. Here you can stop and click activate. When you click activate, it will ask any family, choose your username. Okay, so I am just using the username. Okay, my username is um, SF demo SF. Password, I'll take my password. Okay, confirm password. Okay, get started. So my username is demo df. Now you see, you can see Snowflake, create home search. Okay, projects, data products. Okay, so like this, you will get all the details here. Okay, this is the Snowflake. You don't require any SQL to install now. Okay, this is by default, it has been installed everything. You need to just practice in Snowflake. Okay, so use this Snowflake. And here you see this is the option. Okay, create, home, search, projects, data product, email. Like this, you will get. And if you see, they have given 400 credits. Okay, so trial ends in 30 days. And if you come here, right, if you see here, account admin. In account admin, if you go here, okay, default account admin. And what is the account you have here is, okay, mm, This one. Okay, here you can see this tick mark, right? So YGMHTKW, this is the your ID. Okay, so if you click here, organization, cloud, okay, region, enterprise, locator. Okay, you can find like this. If you go to your profile, okay, profile, and username is demo df, and first name honey, for last name, and mail ID, and the respective password. Okay, and if you see here, default role warehouse, account admin. Okay, and the warehouse name is compute underscore WH. WH is nothing but warehouse. Hmm? And the language is English. Okay, so this is important when I'll let you know. Okay, so now I'm just closing here. Okay, to update, to find your details. Now, if I go here, okay, here, if you click create, okay, it will ask SQL worksheet, Python worksheet, notebook, okay, and a Git repository, anything you can give, okay. Even we can assign a Git repository also. That also I will show you. Okay, from a file standard select. There are many options we have here. Okay, now what I will do first, I'll create a my own database. We will have a default database. Okay, but in Snowflake, I will create my own database here. Okay, so now let's see. I'm just clicking on the data. Okay, now you will see Snowflake sample data. You have a by default this one. And if you click here, right, these are the schemas. Under schemas, you will have a different types of tables. Okay, so customer, line item, nation, orders. But I have to create a table my own, right? Okay. So now I'm just going back. I'm just clicking here and clicking on the database. Okay. This database it is showing here and add data. Now let me create here worksheet. Now uh, table database. That is okay. Wait. This is actually existing one. Uh, oh,
అలా రైట్ సైడ్ పైన ఉంది చూడండి క్రియేట్ డేటాబేస్.
one second. Right. I'll go to the my SQL worksheet. And here, this is a wait. 1 minute. This is execute button, and here create SQL worksheet. This compare public sysadmin. Hmm, hmm. Now you see earlier this is hiding this option. Okay. Now if you see this database plus button, you can see, right, we are creating our own database now. I'm creating a database name. Database name is okay demo SF. SF is nothing but Snowflake. Okay, and a comment optional, so you don't require to give anything. Okay, so I created a now database. Now, so you have a information schema and public schema. Generally by default you will have. Okay, and if you want to create a schema, yes, you can create a schema. Otherwise, you can use okay existing one. So what I will do, I will create a okay, I will create a schema also. Okay, let's create. Schema is demo, okay, SQL. Okay, you can see demo SQL here. Okay, now what I will do, okay, I will go back. What is this again? Table. Okay, this is okay. Now I'm coming back to create SQL worksheet. Okay, now I have a, you see Snowflake, and here this is demo SQL. This is my schema, and this is my database. Under that, there is no objects. Okay. Now what I will do, I'm just going to create a database. Already we have discussed, right? Yesterday, day before yesterday, to create a table. Now I'm creating a table called create table. Okay, create table, table name. Table name, I'm giving the car, hmm, and cars. Open bracket and close bracket. Under that, okay, car ID, it's a number, so I'm giving a number, 10, comma, hmm, car name, hmm, it's a varchar, or you can give a string, anything also fine. Let me check, do we have a string? Varchar, okay, 20, okay, and car model, I'll give a car model, I'll give varchar 20, 10. Hmm? I'm just now, I'm selecting this, and see what we have discussed. To create a table, okay, we need the column name and the data type and the length. Okay, in this Snowflake, I'm going to create a table now. Okay, so if you click here, okay, it will execute this one. This session does not have a current database. Okay, no, no, wait. I will select here. Okay, wait. No, no, 1 second. Instead of that, okay, direct I will give here. What is my schema or what is my database? Demo df dot, what is the my schema? Demo SQL. Okay, dot. Now what it does, this is my database, this is my schema. Under that, this is the table. Okay, now you see, I'll create this. The demo df does not exist or not authorized. Okay, now here
It's demo SF.
this. Okay, under that, okay, now you see
అన్న టేబుల్ కాడ డెమో డిఎఫ్ పెట్టినాను సెకండ్.
demo SF, right? Yeah, correct. I have given user ID, I have given demo df, but database I have given demo SF only. Okay, this is my wrong, my mistake. See, table cars successfully created. Okay, now if you see here, you didn't get actually, but when you refresh here, you can see the table. See, table created. Under that, you can see the cars table. This table, okay, contains the columns and rows. Okay. Now here, uh, if I select the data, there is no data, right? You will not get any data. I am not giving any database schema because already I have selected here. Okay. So just I'll try to execute this. See, car ID, car name, car model, and the query process no results because there is no data, so you will not get anything. Similarly, what I have told you, someone have given the table structure, okay, but there are some small mistakes was there, okay. So you have started here with open bracket, and here when you are typing the column names and right here till once you close here, you need to give this close bracket. Why you need to close bracket here? Because you have opened here, okay. So for this one, it is a close one. For this one, it is a close one, like this. Okay. Syntax is very important. Now, this snowflake you can practice anywhere. It is not like that, you can only practice on a laptop. Even mobile also you can log in and you can practice. It is not like that. It is easy. You don't require to install anything. Okay. But only what you will get a $400 for a free. Okay. Again, what you need to do in case if it is the trial ends up, then you need to create a with a, again another email ID. Okay, then only you can able to practice. Otherwise what will happen, it will ask for a money. Okay, because this is just a trial period, right? 30 days it will give you. You can able to log in, but if you want to create any data, if you want to load anything, then it will ask. Similarly now, okay, we can create a another table. Okay, for example, okay, and here this is again here. Okay, I'm coming back. When you click here, it will give you the respective details. Okay, and similarly like this. So now I'm creating another table. Create table. Okay. Now I'll create a students. Okay, students. Open bracket, close bracket. See, under that student ID, hmm, number 10. Okay, student name, student name. Okay, and varchar. Hmm, student as varchar and student subjects varchar, hmm, student attendance varchar, yes or no. So I'm giving just a three. Hmm. Okay, student ID, student name, student class, student subjects, student attendance. Okay, and if he is having any coaching, that also we can add. Okay, now say there is no, if I, for example, if I don't give a comma, hmm, I missed it here. I'm trying to execute. Now what will happen? You just check. Subject, student, subject, unexpected, student, subject, line number one. Okay, and here syntax error, line number five. Okay, at position 17, unexpected varchar, syntax error line at 24, unexpected, this open bracket, it will show you. So now what you need to do, immediately you need to check your create table. Okay, I have given my comma, but I missed it here. Okay, colon, this one close bracket. Okay, now what I will do, I'll create, I'll try to create again. See, unexpected line, semicolon. Okay. So now what I will do, I have given this also fine. Now what I will do, I will give a space in between. Hmm? So you are able to see my screen, right? Hello. Hmm?
Yes, yes, Anand.
Yeah. So
Yes,
I'm
sir.
giving a, yeah,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
giving a space here. Okay, I'm giving a space. Now I'm trying to execute now my table. Hmm? Unexpected class. Why? Because whenever you are giving a table, a column name, right, it should have only one. For example, if you give like this, it will accept because it should have only one single line, or else you can give a underscore between those. Okay, otherwise it will fail. Now, okay, I have create table. I missed student, for example. Hmm? I'm just creating like this. I have not given any table name. Okay, just I'm trying to execute unexpected open bracket. Okay, something like this, you will get the error. Now, after all the mistakes, I'm giving the correct table name, students. Now you see, it will create a table. Okay, yes, table got created. Under that, now if you see under demo, okay, you have one students and a cars. Okay, like this. So here you see created just now when this table was created, everything it will show you. Okay. Now we have discussed so far under DDL. Okay. Okay. Under DDL, okay, we have a create, alter, drop, truncate. Right. Under that, okay, DDLs, data, definition, language. Okay. Under that, we have just discussed about create statement. Okay. Now we will discuss about the drop. Okay. What it does, create, we can create a table, and we have created a table only in Snowflake. Okay. This is a normal table. You have a stage table concept also. That also I will show you later in the classes. Okay. So now you just see this table currently I have created now. Okay. So here the table was created, two tables, one is course and another one is student. Now I'll take these two backup for safer side here, okay. And then what I will do, I will use the drop to delete my table, okay. Something I have given a course, but I don't. I have to give a just I. This is something wrong, okay. I want to delete this. Then simple syntax is drop table, table name. What is your table name? Student. Okay, students. Spelling mistake. Actually, whenever you are deleting this table, make sure you have given the right database, right schema. Always try to give a database and schema. Better. Why? Because sometimes if you have selected a different schema and you thought you are deleting in another schema, at that time, what will happen? The table will be deleted in the XYZ schema. Actually, you wanted to delete, okay, your table from the demo SQL, but you have selected here XYZ schema. At that time, but you haven't seen that you deleted, and you are trying to check whether table exists or not, and it's saying table exists. Then after realizing that, it will be late because you have deleted the table. So that is the reason whenever you are deleting the table, make sure you give the database and schema, and then only you drop it so that it will drop that particular table from the database. Okay, I'm now using, I'm dropping this. I have dropped my table. Now you see, okay, here you don't have a table called student. Similarly, here what I will do, I'll use the cars as well. Okay, now I will drop this also. See, your table also, the car table also does not exist. So earlier how it was there, similarly, now you can say because no objects found. It means what? You have deleted the tables. Okay, you deleted the tables. Now again, if you want to create a table, then you take this table. hmm, I will execute both the tables. Okay, by selecting this. But now what I will do, I will give the schema names. Okay, say for side always. That is very important. Yes, that is what I'm trying. So two tables I'm trying because I have given a semicolon, right? First it will execute the semicolon and then it will execute another one. Let's see. See, two tables was created. Now I will refresh here. See, cars and students. Why? Because you have given a semicolon. So after giving the semicolon, what it does, first it will take the this one and then it will take this one and it will come out. In case if you give semicolon and another table, yes, it will create the table also. Okay, like this, it will create the table. Now this is fine. Okay, but I want to modify this column. Okay, I want to modify this column from, okay, I want to modify this column from car ID to car ID to car identifier. Like this, I want to modify. What I have to do? What I have to do? Now, to modify the column, so as of now, we have seen how to create a table and how to drop the table. Now, I am going to modify the column name. How? From car ID to car underscore identifier. Like this, I want to modify. How can I modify? Do we get this kind of requirement in future? Yes, definitely you will get a requirement. Sometimes maybe we will also by mistakenly we will give a spelling mistakes. At that time, you need to modify that spelling mistake. So you need to give the alter statement. So there is a command called alter statement. Using that alter statement, yes, you can rename the column name. Okay, how we can see now. Now say alter table. What table you want to update this table, right? Okay, this table. Okay, yes. Alter table name. Hmm. Modify column. What column? Car ID to car identifier. Now, is this correct syntax or not? Let's see. After executing, we will see whether it is correct or not. Let's see. See, this is something wrong. Now, what we need to do? Let's see. Like this, I will try. Hmm? So, car ID from type number 10 unknown. Okay. So now we need to check the syntax. What is the syntax? Go to the Google, but you need to remember this. Okay. Now means I also forgot. Now alter.
అన్న రీనేమ్ పెట్టి చూడండి అన్న సో
Okay. We have a folks. Okay. So who has experience in the alter statement? Modify column or rename column? Rename. rename. See, statement executed successfully. Alter table demo SF cars. Rename column car ID to car ID. Now, how to check that? Describe table. What table? This table. Demo SF, demo SQL. What is demo SF only? Right? Okay, no problem. Give a select star. At least you can see the name. Select star from. See, car identifier. Earlier, what was there? We had a